Good morning, crusty crew. Sun's not quite up yet, but it's time for corn. Go hop in the Kubota, get down to the bunker. I'm sure Jordan's already down there because, you know, he's Mr. Early Bird. And yeah, start packing. It's gonna be a nice long 12-hour day. I'll probably wait to take a video. Maybe I'll take one when the first truck dumps its load, but I'll probably wait until it's light out, get some better footage. Yeah, see you in a bit. We got first corn load of the season. Well, this part of the season. Got Jordan going beast with it.
Plan your trip to BC wine country today. Wines in British Columbia. Secret displays. Silence can be confusing. During your
Calm down.
Silence could indicate to your health provider that you have nothing to. Even if what you really want to say is and always speak up, whether you are online or on a phone call.
Oh
Conquer
yeah.
silence for your health.
Corn.
This message brought to you by the Canadian Patient Safety Institute. ConquerSilence.ca.
Just got done with lunch. Pile looks like it's getting bigger. Take it back over here. Lights are on. Been out here for 12 hours getting after it. Jordan's in the John Deere and I'm driving the Kubota. Starting to get pretty high up. Ramp's starting to get pretty steep. But yeah, I'll be back when we're done. Well, done for the day, I guess. We still got 2 more days of this. That's a wrap, y'all. Follow Jordan back up.
Dream to the max with Model X. The next jackpot is $29 million. 19 plus to play. Another good news, really, in Richmond, that earlier accident, number 6 road before
Calling it good. That's a big old chopper. Well, we'll be back at it tomorrow morning, so see you then. Let's go. Day 2, baby. Look at that big ass tractor.
152nd, low volume that should eventually sort itself out.
Fun fact, our bunker is built a whole 80 acres of corn, and we have 105 acres left. You got nowhere to go but up, baby. Getting the stack. Jordan's building the, we're gonna come out this way. Kind of have like a knob right here. Change it up. I've been pushing up here. We're not gonna go any much higher than this. Not gonna bring any more corn up to the top here. We're like way above the walls, but you know, sky's the limit. You got a bunch of corn and not a lot of place to put it. But yeah, day 3, getting after it.
Careers. Learn more at bcit.ca/business.
Jordan took my ramp away. Now I'm just, I guess I'll be up here until I get a new ramp. Very nice. Well, this should be way down, no way to go. Last trucks of the year. God, I hate this shit. I don't hate it, it's just shaves years off your life being up here working a stack, especially when you're like over 100% capacity, more than 100%. It's gonna be fun making a video when we tarp and tire though. We got a lot of corn to cover. Whew. It's time to get after some tarping and tiring. I'm gonna spend the next couple of hours throwing hella tires. Should be fun. But right now Jordan's setting up a mixer so we can get this not underground, our lagoon churning. We're pumping it out. I've never actually even seen it this low in like a couple of years, so I guess we're emptying her. Hopefully Jordan doesn't slide all the way down into the shit. It's happened a time or two. But we'll see. Get broke up, it's just too much fun, dude. Just slowly comes moving in and then it's like chop, 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 chop. I don't think the big ones will get chopped up in one go though. They'll need a couple passes. It a little bit, but it's turning way over that one right there. Oh, it stopped. No. I want to see carnage. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. It messed it up quite a bit. Oh yeah, that one got like disintegrated. The one with the blue bottle on it is just vibing though. What about the plant one? What say you? Mostly survived. I just want to know when the greeny boy gets over here. New tarp time. Chucking tires all day, baby. Shake and bake. Looks like Jordan's been making good progress on this. Got about half the stack over that way covered. Just took lunch. This thing's getting nice and mixed up. Yeah, making progress. Bad boys, what you gonna do when the trouble comes down to you? Get the wreck, bud. But anyways, making progress on the stack. Woo!